Moving elements around in blocks can feel a little rigid if you're more familiar with using graphic design apps such as Photoshop or Sketch. Unlike these graphic design apps, Blocs forces elements to snap to specific positions when they're dragged and moved around within a block. This is intentional, as it ensures the page design will gracefully downscale to various screen sizes with as little additional work as necessary. Naturally, there are times when you may need to refine the positioning of an element in greater detail. This is where custom classes can help. I have a text element that I would like positioned further down within the current block, so it appears more vertically aligned with the device image on the left. I can do this using a custom class. Typing a class name into the class field, then hitting return will add a new class to the selected element. To edit the values of a custom class, simply left-click the class token you wish to edit. This will open the class editor. I'm now going to navigate to the margin and padding controls, which are located in the middle section of the main metric controls. On the left, you can see the edge target selection control, and on the right, the value inputs for both padding and margin. Before I enter a value, I need to select the edge I want to apply the value to. In this case, I want to move the text down. This means I will need to apply the value to the top edge of the element. I do this by left-clicking the top edge of the Edge Target Selection control. If I now move over to the first input field and click the three small dots, a slider popover will appear. Moving the slider will move the element on the page up and down. You may notice that the space is being created within the element. That's because I'm adjusting the padding value. If I now try the same with the margin slider, you'll notice the space is being created outside of the element. Padding creates space within an element, and margin creates space outside of it. In this case, I want to create the space outside of the element, so I'm going to apply a margin. I can now preview this class by hitting V on my keyboard. If I switch to the tablet view, I can see the text doesn't align correctly. To fix this, I need to adjust the tablet values for this custom class. While I'm in the tablet preview mode, I'm going to hit V on my keyboard to exit preview mode. Now I'm going to open the same class and adjust the margin value. This value will be stored along with the desktop value, but it will only be applied to the element when the screen width it's viewed on is the same as the tablet or smaller. If I hit V on my keyboard to enter preview mode, I can see the text now aligns correctly when viewed on a tablet.